Hey Nailiaddicts, welcome to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today's video we're doing a twofold. We're going to do dip powder first as a base, and then we're going to do some stamping using some Young Nails products. Okay, I'm not going to go too much into the application of applying dip powder. If you want to know how to do it in depth, I have a ton of videos from way back when I first started my channel on how to do dip powder. I really want to spend some time on the Young Nails stamping products. Young Nails is a very popular brand for DIY and for professionals. During the holidays, they had a sale where they offered a stamping kit that was with about 4 or 5 stamping plates. You get a scraper card, you get like a sticky roller to clean off your stamper, and you get a stamper. And you also get this huge like case that went with it. It's really pretty. It's a big like carry-on case that you can take with you. Go back to my videos from the holidays and I did a Young Nails haul, and I'm sure this is the one that included that stamper. And the price was really reasonable. Now I mostly use Maniology and Clear Jelly Stamper, and occasionally some other ones that I've got off Amazon. And recently I picked up Pretty Fingers by Robin stamping plate. So when you get your stamping plates, they are etched. All the images are etched into the plate. If it's a good quality stamping plate, you will have no problem picking up the image. The deeper the plate is etched, the better chance you have to pick up the image. If it's kind of like a flimsy one, you're going to have a hard time when you try to pick up that image. So far, I have yet to run into any plates that I found were too difficult to use. And I've gotten some off of Temu and they were okay too. Young Nails, this is something new for them. And I'm so glad that they started selling stamping products. I really wish they would make some more. Y'all, these plates were excellent. They picked up so well. The stamper is a nice soft jelly. It's not too firm. It's medium. It's not too firm and it's not too soft, but it's very clear. You can see right through it. The scraper card was good. And I like that they gave the little sticky roll so you can clean off your stamper. The images have some themes, like they have like an animal print theme, they have a boho vibe theme, they have some flower like spring themes, and they have like some paisley. You just get kind of like a variety of things. So for this manicure, since I was going for more of a spring vibe, as you can see with the dipping powder that has the little flowers, I chose the Young Nails plate that had like butterflies and some flowers on it to kind of go with the whole vibe. So I've had these products from Young Nails for a couple of months and I just haven't used them. And what is the point of buying them if I'm not going to use them? So I pulled them out. I said, okay, let's make a video. Let's see what this is all about. Like I said earlier, I'm really impressed by Young Nails. And I don't even know why, because Young Nails has good quality nail products. I have a lot of other things from them, like their manicure line. I have oh my gosh, y'all, I got like about 70 bottles of their regular nail polish, because you can also use their regular lacquer nail polish for stamping. So when I bought the kit, that's another thing that it included. It included 10 of their regular nail polish to go with your stamping kit. And they are really opaque. I had no problem with using them and the image picking up very clear. However, I did forget to use, I think I forgot to use it. No, you know what? No, I did use their nail polish for this stamping plate. I was thinking maybe I went ahead and used Maniology, but to fill in the image, I used some Maniology and some CJS polish. But to pick up the initial image, I used my Young Nails nail polish. It worked perfectly. Their polishes are very pigmented. And if you're lucky, you can get them on sale. I think I might have paid maybe $1 per bottle. And for, I mean, you can't beat that price. That's cheaper than Dollar Tree. Okay, correction. I did not use any Maniology or CJS products. You know how when you make a video, well, for those of us who are content creators, you know, you make the video and you wait a while and then you edit it. And it's not until you start editing that you like, oh, I use that. Like, oh, that's in there. So it wasn't until I'm editing and doing the voiceover of this video that I realized that I only use Young Nail products. So these bottles that y'all seeing on the screen with these swatch dots on top, those are all Young Nails. I was able to do this complete image in using all their products. So the dry time on their nail lacquer is pretty fast, just like you would with any other nail polish. But when you're doing reverse stamping, you do have to wait a little bit until it dries before you stamp down the image. This butterfly is on the second finger that I use. I have two butterflies. The first one I edited out because I did not wait long enough to put it down on my finger and I smudged it. But this one that I'm doing now is the one that I waited the appropriate amount of time and the image transferred really nicely. I really like the way these nails came out. Like I said, I enjoyed using the Young Nails stamping product. And if you guys get a chance, check it out and tell me what y'all think about it. If you bought some and how you liked it. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. And sorry y'all, I do not have any end shots on the whole manicure. I completely forgot to take some still photos of it. But thank y'all for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.